When you search for the best tool sets for boat owners, everything looks the same. Same flashy claims, similar designs. But to really understand which tool set will keep you prepared on the water, you have to dig a bit deeper. Product number 1, Eastvolt 128-piece tool set. The Eastvolt 128-piece home repair tool set caught my attention with its comprehensive range and affordable price of just $28.99. If you want a solid starter kit for basic boat repairs and household needs, this is worth a serious look. With 128 pieces, including essentials like a claw hammer, adjustable wrench, and socket sets, you'll find almost everything you need for small repairs or DIY projects around your boat. Plus, the blow-molded storage toolbox keeps everything organized and portable, which is perfect for on-the-go repairs. Now, some people complained about the durability of the lighter tools in this set. Here's the thing though, for basic tasks and emergencies, it's more than enough. If you're a serious mechanic or need heavy-duty tools, this might not be your best option, but for most boat owners, it's a great value. This is perfect for you if you're a new boat owner looking to handle minor repairs without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional-grade set. Honestly, for under $30, you get a pretty solid kit that covers the basics. Now, if the Eastvolt's lighter tools concerned you, this next one takes a more heavy-duty approach. Product number 2, High-Spec 67PC Auto Mechanic Tool Set. Next up is the High-Spec 67PC Metric Auto Mechanic Tool Set, priced at $44.99. This kit stood out because it's specifically designed for car, motorcycle, and even boat repairs. If you want something versatile that can handle various tasks, this set is worth a serious look. The 3/8 ratcheting wrench allows for smooth operation, perfect for those tight spots in engines or on your boat. Plus, the non-slip grips provide confidence when you're working with greasy or slippery tools, which is a common issue when working on boats. With over 3,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate its reliability. However, some users mention that the case can feel a bit flimsy. Here's the thing, while it's good for keeping your tools organized, it's not industrial strength. For casual boaters needing quick access to tools, that's not a deal breaker, but if you're on rough waters often, consider additional storage options. This is perfect for you if you frequently work on various vehicles and want a reliable, compact tool set. Skip this one if you only need tools for minimal boat upkeep. At $45, it's a great investment for multi-use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comprehensive projects. Product number 3, GRN PRO 239 PCS Tool Set. Next up is the GRN PRO 239 PCS Tool Set, available for $65.99. The sheer number of tools in this kit immediately caught my eye, and if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for repairs, this is worth a serious look. This set includes a variety of tools needed for all sorts of repairs, from handyman to automotive work. With items like a folding work light, multiple sockets, and precision screwdrivers, this kit is designed for versatility. The high-quality steel and polished chrome finish ensure durability and resistance to corrosion, which is crucial for marine environments. Plus, the sturdy plastic toolbox makes it easy to store and transport. Now, some users have pointed out that the tool organization could be better, as some pieces can shift around during transport. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with handling the case, it shouldn't be a huge issue. For those who need a lot of tools at their disposal, this set is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who tackles a lot of different projects. Skip this one if you need something ultra-compact for just boat repairs. For under $70, it's a solid investment in versatility. Now, if you're looking for something more specialized for marine maintenance, check this out. Product number 4, SOARFLY Upgraded 180-Piece Tool Set. The SOARFLY Upgraded 180-Piece Tool Set comes in at $42.99, and I found its lightweight design and included cordless drill really appealing. If you want an all-in-one kit that's easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. Weighing only 1.65 pounds, this set is perfect for everyday repairs without straining your back. Whether you're drilling into wood to install a new fixture on your boat or tightening screws, the adjustable speed feature gives you control. Plus, the anti-rust coating ensures these tools last, even in damp conditions. Some customers have noted that the drill's power can be underwhelming for heavier jobs. Here's the thing, if you're tackling basic repairs and DIY projects, it's more than adequate. But if you're planning to do extensive renovations, you might want something with more power. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a reliable tool set for basic tasks. Skip this one if you're a pro looking for heavy-duty equipment. For the price, it's a fantastic starter kit. Now, if you want something especially tailored for marine use, let's check out the next product. Product number 5, Great Neck MS-191 Mariner's Tool Set. Finally, we have the Great Neck MS-191 Mariner's Tool Set priced at $136.68. This one really emphasizes marine use, and it caught my attention for its specialized tools. If you want a set designed for the unique needs of boat maintenance, this is worth a serious look. Covering common maintenance needs for boats and trailers, this set includes both SAE and metric sockets along with pliers and drivers for quick repairs at sea or dockside. The rust-resistant chrome finish protects the tools from saline environments, and the high-visibility floating case means you'll always know where your tools are, even if they accidentally fall overboard. This is crucial for marine safety. However, some users have mentioned that the case can be bulky. Here's the thing, while it's designed to float and be organized, it might take up more space than you prefer in a small boat. But if you prioritize being well-equipped, it's a trade-off worth considering. This is perfect for you if you're serious about boating and need tools specifically for marine repairs. Skip this one if you have a very small boat or limited storage space. For dedicated boaters, it's a valuable investment. So to recap, the Eastvolt offers great basics at an unbeatable price, while the high-spec is a versatile option for various needs. The GRN PRO provides a comprehensive toolkit, and the SOARFLY is perfect for those who want lightweight tools with a drill. Finally, the Great Neck is specialized for marine maintenance. Each one has its strengths, so consider what fits your boat repair needs best.